walking routes in London, starting off at Trafalgar Square, heading up towards Covent Garden, and pretty much looping back around. So it is a beautiful day in London today. The weather is gorgeous and it's pretty warm. I think it's about 24, 25 degrees. And we are just at Trafalgar Square at the National Gallery, and it is very quiet as it's around 9 a.m. in the morning. And we're going to head off from here and walk around towards Covent Garden. That is the Portrait Gallery to the side of the National Gallery, which is worth a look at. Both galleries are absolutely beautiful. So if you have never been to either, I would highly recommend it if you're visiting London. From here we're going to head up towards Charing Cross and cut round the back streets towards Covent Garden. I really love the little back streets of Charing Cross and Covent Garden, as there are such an array of interesting shops and eateries and just really cool places to check out. There's lots of art galleries and there are fantastic restaurants for the evening to sit out in front of. There's so much to see and do in such a small area, and it's really beautiful. All times of year, in the summer, in the spring, at Christmas, it really just has such a nice feel around this area. And there is Mrs. Riot. I believe that is a cabaret sort of bar, which I haven't checked out, but I would really like to. And here we are into the beautiful Covent Garden, which is just lovely. I love the history around here. It's just cobbles and stones, and this building's been here for God knows how many years, and it's just so cool to see it always changing with the different shops and different eateries and places to go. It's really cool to check out. And there was this really cool sandwich place. The sandwiches and cakes looked amazing. I didn't stop for any food because it was a little bit early, but I will treat myself when I do go back. There is also this really cool art installation with the clouds, which I find pretty nice to look at. They really do some great art installations in this area of Covent Garden, which are worth looking at. And there's lots of restaurants and bars, and so this place is buzzing in the evening. If you're looking for somewhere in London to hang out or to take family members when you're visiting, then it really is worth a look at. It's not the cheapest, but I mean you're paying for top London tourist attraction areas, but really is worth a hang out for the evening. I really wanted to check out the Move-In shop and the Punch and Judy, but unfortunately it was a little early as the shops don't usually open till about 10 o'clock, so we couldn't go into them, which is a shame, but they've been there for years since I was a child, so it's really cool to check them out. And there's always beautiful floristry around here. Like, as you walk through the you'll start to see a few more beautiful displays of flowers, which are stunning this time of year. We are very lucky this morning as it is quiet, because this walkway is normally heaving to the point where you're touching shoulders with everyone, but we managed to get here early. Even the market wasn't quite ready for my early arse, so they're all just setting up, and they have a cool little market with lots of local artists and crafts, and it's really cool to check out. I just love the architecture around here. I think it's absolutely stunning. And there's the artwork and a little bit of information about the artist what is it? So if you are in Covent Garden, please go and check it out because it's really cool. And there's some more beautiful flowers that are all dotted around the outside of Covent Garden Market. And here is the Transport Museum. If you have little kids, it's really cool in there to go and check out the history of transport around England and London. And I found this other little market which kind of just full of like souvenirs and stuff. It was okay, but really overpriced, I think. But obviously, if you're coming to London and you want to grab yourself some form of British memorabilia, then it's have a little look. And there were these beautiful restaurants, and there's lots of seating area outside. In the summer, these do get absolutely packed, so do come early if you're hoping to have lunch in the local area. We are now going to head up the sort of main shopping area of Covent Garden, which is really popular, especially on the weekend. It has every shop you could possibly want and quite a few cool independent shops. There's some really, really nice pubs to check out as well. But yeah, this place is really nice if you're looking for a little shopping trip in London and you want to stay away from Oxford Street. So this place is really cool to check out. There are so many little roads that you can take around here. It's pretty much like a labyrinth, and on each street you'll find such unique retail spaces, art spaces, cool little pubs. So always worth exploring Covent Garden because you just never know what you're gonna find. And we are heading away from Covent Garden now. We're sort of heading up towards Shaftesbury Avenue, towards Leicester Square, and all the theatre district. So you will see quite a few theatres on the way. There is the Harry Potter theatre show. I think I walked past Matilda. So again, another great place if you're coming for a theatre show and you want to have some lunch beforehand or stop for coffee like I just did. I was honestly really, really parched and I was dying for a coffee, so I had to stop and have a little break. And down there is the start of Chinatown. I decided not to go and explore Chinatown in this video. I might do it in a separate video because there's some really cool places to check out there, and maybe I'll go and sit down and have a meal somewhere and you guys can come and eat with me. And we're just heading into Leicester Square, and again it's pretty quiet around here because of how early I'm out. But it's always busy around here. I think they might have been setting up for a movie premiere. There was some work going on around Leicester Square, so you couldn't access one area of it. But there is about 3 cinemas in one area. I never knew this before, but there's about 3 cinemas in one area, which is pretty crazy for London. While I was out, I remembered that I needed to pop into Cass Art to pick up a few art supplies as I was running low. So here's the lovely Cass Art store, and we're back round to the Portrait Gallery, and we're going to head back round towards the National Gallery and chill out at Trafalgar Square. I was going to say Leicester Square, but Trafalgar Square. So I hope you enjoyed this short little stroll of London. I hope you are able to get out and explore your local area, or just get moving. It's really good to just get up and move the body every day. please like and subscribe if you like this video, as it helps me to push out this content to people who would be interested. Until next time, take care.